We've come a long way from clicking buttons to just typing words. What once took hours now happens in seconds. Welcome to Myst Files. From old software to smart prompts, the future isn't coming. It's already here. So let's get started. Adobe Photoshop versus Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Firefly. Photoshop once required hours of manual designing and image editing. Now, with AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Firefly, you can create, enhance, and manipulate stunning visuals instantly, just by typing a simple text prompt. Premiere Pro versus Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Synthesia. Editing a video used to mean spending days on timelines and heavy rendering. Today, tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Synthesia generate and edit full cinematic videos in minutes, using only your written idea. FL Studio versus Udio and Suno AI. Music production once took long sessions and technical skills. But with Udio and Suno AI, you can instantly compose original songs, beats, and vocals that sound studio-ready. AutoCAD versus Michelangelo AI and Autodesk AI Assist. Traditional 3D design required intense manual modeling. Now AI assistants like Michelangelo AI automate design and modeling with incredible accuracy from simple instructions. Blender versus Kaidim, Meshi, and Spline AI. Creating 3D models once meant sculpting each detail by hand. Now Kaidim and Meshi generate full 3D assets from plain text prompts, turning ideas into render-ready models in seconds. PowerPoint versus Tome, Gamma, and Beautiful.ai. Presentations once took hours of formatting and layout design. Now AI tools like Tome and Gamma create polished slides automatically. You just tell them your topic. Word versus ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Jasper. Writing and editing documents used to be manual. Today, ChatGPT and Jasper instantly write, summarize, and refine content in any tone or style you want. Google Search versus Perplexity AI and ChatGPT Web. Searching for answers once meant browsing endless pages. Now, tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT give you summarized conversational answers instantly. Excel versus Rose AI, Airtable AI, and ChatGPT Code Interpreter. Data work and analytics used to take formulas and endless sheets. But with AI, reports, insights, and automation are done in seconds. After Effects versus Runway, ML, Kyber, and Lumen 5. Creating motion graphics once required deep skill and rendering time. Now Runway ML and Lumen 5 make cinematic visuals instantly from prompts and clips. Audacity versus Adobe Podcast AI, Crisp AI, and Descript. Editing audio once took patience and tools. Now these AI tools clean noise, enhance voice, and even edit speech automatically. Lightroom versus Imagen AI, Luminar Neo, and Firefly. Before, photo correction was a manual process. Now Imagen AI and Luminar Neo perfect lighting and color balance automatically with one click. Canva versus Ideogram, Kittle, and Leonardo AI. Graphic design used to take effort and templates. Now these AI tools generate unique brand visuals and designs instantly. OBS Studio versus HeyGen, Synthesia, and V.io. Recording and producing videos once needed setup and equipment. Now these AI tools create realistic avatar videos directly from text. Subtitle Edit versus Submagic, Nova AI, and Capwing AI. Adding subtitles used to take hours of syncing and timing. Today, Submagic and Nova AI auto-generate subtitles with translations in seconds. Chatbot software versus ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Building chat systems once required coding. Now these AI models provide natural, human-like conversation instantly. Translation apps versus DeepL, GPT Translate, and Whisper AI. Translating text used to be slow and inaccurate. Today, AI delivers real-time translations that understand full context. Voiceover recording versus 11 Labs, Play.ht, and TTS Maker. Recording voiceovers used to take multiple takes. Now these AI tools generate lifelike, natural-sounding voices instantly. Logo design versus Luca, Brandmark, and Designs.ai. Logo creation once involved design skills. Today, these AI tools instantly generate logos and brand kits that look professional. Photo background removal versus Remove.bg, ClipDrop, and Firefly. Cutting out backgrounds used to take time. Now AI does it perfectly in one click. Hand animation versus deep motion, Plask and Move.ai. Animating human movement once took frame-by-frame effort. Today, AI converts real motion into 3D animation instantly. Infographic Maker versus Visme, Infogram AI, and Canva Magic Studio. Designing infographics used to take layout work. Now AI automatically turns data into beautiful visuals. Text-to-speech versus 11 Labs, TTS Maker, and Play.ht. Generating narration once took real voice recording. Now AI voices sound human, emotional, and real, all from text. Storyboard design versus Storyboard Hero, Runway, and Midjourney. Creating storyboards used to mean drawing every scene. Now AI tools visualize entire stories and camera angles automatically. Which AI tool surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.